Hi guys, it's Jasmine Rochelle and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be straightening my hair and I'm going to be using this Remi heat protectant / leave-in conditioner, and I'm going to be spraying it all over my hair to make sure that my hair is going to be completely protected. And then after I spray this throughout my hair, I'm going to rub it all in. I'm now going to be using my Revlon blow dryer hairbrush that I just purchased. I'm really excited to try it out because it is just so much easier to be able to brush your hair and blow it out at the same time. So now I'm taking my heat protectant again and I'm going to spray each section before I blow dry. So I purchased this brush from Ulta and it's very inexpensive and I love the way it works. I mean, it's perfect. So I would suggest that if you're looking to purchase a blow dryer hairbrush that's not really expensive, then check out Ulta. So as you can see, after I'm finished each section, I'm just twisting it up and putting a clip on it so that it can be out of the way while I do the rest of my hair. So this is my hair all blown out. It's really big. It has definitely grown a lot. So now I'm going to be using this Infiniti Pro CONAIR Rainbow Titanium Flat Iron that I also purchased from Ulta. And this is my first time using this as well. And it does an extremely good job. So now I'm taking my hair shears and I am going to trim off the dead ends, and I'm going to be doing this for every piece of my hair after I flat iron it. And as you guys can see, that made a huge difference and my ends look very healthy. So I'm just going to go ahead and repeat those steps throughout the video. Alright, so I finished my hair and it looks decent, but it's not as straight as I would like it to be, especially at the ends. And so my sister is going to come in and help me get it a little bit straighter, and she's going to be using her cheese Silk Infusion to help get my hair straight. Okay, so my sister did an amazing job and my hair is very straight and I'm extremely happy with the results. If you guys enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.